morning, children. Now this is 7th class social studies. In the 7th class social studies, we are in the middle of the lesson, that is 5th lesson. What is that lesson? 5th lesson. Name Europe. No, look at. So what are the main continents? Asia, Africa, Antarctica, North America, South America. Okay, Europe, Australia. These are the continents. Among them, we are discussing about Europe continent. So now look at these children once again. This is South America. This is North America. This is Europe. This is Africa. So in front of Europe, we can find here Asia. Okay, Asia. Now look at once. I want to teach you today about this peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? Bay. What is the meaning of bay? Island and also gulf. So first of peninsula. Peninsula means the land surrounded by water, three sides, one side land. Okay, so one side land, three sides water surrounding. This land is called peninsula. This land is called peninsula. Students, now listen. For example, this is our country. This is our country. So this is Arabia. See, this is Bay of Bengal. This is Indian Ocean. That means the South India land surrounded by three sides of water. So that is why it is called peninsula. Peninsula. What it is called? Peninsula. So this is peninsula. Likewise, in Europe continent also some countries are peninsulas. For example, I wrote here Italy. Italy penetrates the land penetrate into Mediterranean Sea like a shoe. For example, look at, this is Mediterranean Sea. So here Italy. Look at. So this is Italy. That means three sides water, one side land. Okay, so it is one of the peninsula in Europe. What is that country name? Italy. Next, Norway also. Norway, Sweden. So they are. Look at this. Norway, Sweden. Look, three sides water, one side land. This is also three sides water, one side land. So this is peninsula. This is peninsula. This is also peninsula. Okay, Italy, Norway, Sweden. They are peninsula in European continent. In Asia continent, our country south part also peninsula, Indian peninsula. Okay, that means three sides water surrounding. Okay, children. Now look at what is the meaning of bay. So here I wrote this is Bay of Bengal. What it is? Bay of Bengal. So bay means three sides land covers, one side water. Okay, so if the land covers three sides and one side water, that area is called bay. For example, look at, this is three sides. This is three sides land covers. This is one side water. So that is why it is called bay. That is why it is Bay of Bengal. What it is? Bay of Bengal, one of the sea. Okay, in front of our country. That means east side of our country. Next to island. What is the meaning of island? For example, can you see here below our country one small island is there in Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. So this island is called Sri Lanka. What it is called? Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. That means a land covers by all sides of water, not three sides. All sides of water. That is called island. Dvipamo. Okay. So here Sri Lanka is island country in Asia continent. Okay, near to our country. Likewise, in Europe, one island country is there, that is England. What it is? England. So this England ruled our country 200 years ago, and that country plundered our country. That means they took away our national wealth. Okay, they harassed our people, they killed our people, they imprisoned our people. So finally, we revolted and we got independence from British. So this British means England or Great Britain is island. Island means what? The water, the land surrounded by all sides of water. So that is children. Next children, Gulf. Gulf means enclosed by land. It is also like bay. Gulf means enclosed by land. So all side land is there, but one side water. Okay, that is called Gulf. So what are the uses of bay and Gulf? So here the sea routes and ship buildings, that means building harbors, are suitable places of in the world these gulfs and bays. So that is why many seaports are there. For example, we know we have some seaports: Bombay, Chennai, Kolkata, okay, Machilipatnam, so like that. Okay, so in European countries also we can find many ports, that means harbors. This place is very suitable for harbors. Okay, because if the ship will come, they need some water depth. If there is no water depth, what will happen to the ship? The bottom of the ship will be destroyed. Okay, so here the Gulf is sufficient water to, okay, lay or haunt the ship. That is the use of that one. So here peninsula, bay, island and Gulf. Next one, what is the climate of European countries? That means what is the climate of this Europe? So we know what is the climate of our India. Okay, we have 3 seasons: summer season, rainy season, winter season. Okay, so here also seasons are there, but this place almost cool place, not like our India. We know at May month what happened to our Indian people. Okay, so India receives heavy heat from the sun at May month. So that's why May month is the hottest month in our country. But here almost all months are temperature recording is very low compared with our country. Snow is falling throughout the year over all countries of Europe continent. Okay, next one, what about equatorial region and polar region? Now children look at here, this is equator. So this region is called equatorial region. Next, so this is also actually we should draw like here. Yeah, equatorial. This area is called equatorial region. This area. What about this area? This is polar region. This is polar region. Polar regions almost throughout the year snow covered over water bodies, over hills, okay, streams, lakes, etc. But here, due to the high receiving of temperature, these areas become hot ones. So the winds are blowing like this. Winds are blowing like this. Now children, Atlantic Ocean. Look at, this is Atlantic Ocean. This is what? This is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. So the winds continuously blowing from Atlantic Ocean towards European countries. So what are the countries here? Portugal, Spain, France, Germany, Netherlands, England. So these are the countries. So when the winds are blowing towards European countries, that means over Portugal, Spain, France, England, etc. Okay, some regions completely receives cold that means low temperature. For example, Poland, Russia, Britain. So here you can find Poland. So this is Russia, this is Britain, etc. Next, what about westerlies? Westerlies, look at the second picture here. From equatorial region, the winds are the upon the water body. Actually, water body is not constant. It is always moving from one place to another place. So the water along with the wind, it is moving. So while it is moving, it takes some moisture over these areas of European countries. Okay, European countries. They are called westerlies. They are bringing moisture from that equatorial region to European countries. Okay. Next, warm ocean currents. These are the warm ocean currents. Actually, equatorial region receiving high temperature. Due to the temperature, the water became hot and even the air also became hot. So that warm currents are blowing. Okay, it touches the North American south part and eastern part, and it will go through the direction of west part of European countries. Okay, so these currents are called in America. These currents, this is America, we know. So here these currents are called Gulf streams. What they are called here? Here Gulf streams. Next to in Europe, in Atlantic Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean. In Europe they are called North Atlantic drift. Here they are called North Atlantic drift. Okay. Next, rainfall. Rainfall occurring in this area. Okay, almost winter season. They are waiting for sunny. పగల కోసం సూర్యుని కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ fish industry is very important because they are traveling through seas, oceans, streams. Okay, because that place is very zigzag place. It is very zigzag place. So that is why they are using ships over these water bodies. Okay, it is low expensive. That is also very advantage to the European countries. Shipbuilding. Next one, Britain, North Sea Dogger Bank. It is also called North Sea Dogger Bank. Next one, Mediterranean type of climate. So do you know, children, where is Mediterranean Sea? So this is the Mediterranean Sea. So north part of Europe we can find here Mediterranean Sea. So what countries are near to Mediterranean Sea? For example, Spain, Portugal, okay, France, Italy. So these countries are called these countries are near to Mediterranean Sea. Okay, the climate is very cold around these Mediterranean Sea areas. Okay, for example, South Europe, this is north, this is south. So this South European countries climate is very excellent. Now rain is occurring at winter season. So this area is very suitable for fruits. What kind of fruits are ripening? What kind of fruits are growing here? Figs, grapes, orange, olive. That means citrus fruits. పుల్లగా ఉండేటటువంటివి. What are they? Figs, grapes, orange and olives. So these fruits are very famous in this Mediterranean Sea south part of these all countries. Okay, children. So now this is the European countries climate condition. Next class I will tell you about seasons. About seasons. Okay, children, once again I want to show you in your textbook also. I drawn already that pictures. Once again it is very clear to you. Now look at, so these are the winds blowing. These are called westerlies. They are blowing over West European countries. This is England, this is Portugal, this is Spain, this is France, this is Germany, Norway, Sweden. These are the places. Okay, next one, Gulf streams. I said already this is equator. From equator the water bodies along the hot winds blowing through reaches Mexico area and also going north side of North America, east direction, and it goes towards the upper part of European countries. They are called Gulf streams. What they are called? Gulf streams. What is the use of these Gulf streams? fishing. So fishing industry is very important one here. Okay children, thank you. I shall explain the remaining lesson in the next class.